The song's off the Growing Stronger comp. It's for sale right back there. A guy named Chris Kelly and Brett Beach put it out. It's $3. Pick it up if you haven't already. Everybody here probably already has it. It's called Class 89. In hardcore, the scene is based on the participation of hardcore kids. If hardcore kids aren't doing anything in the hardcore scene, hardcore music doesn't exist. Hardcore is about what you do, not who you know. And that's what this song's all about. It's called Drop My Name. Get us with that flip! Wanna be down with you, man? What? Let's fuck that up! I graduated high school about 8 years ago, which means in about 2 years I'm going to be getting my 10-year high school reunion. And you know what? I might not be like driving a BMW or have some job where I have to wear a tie to work. But unlike everybody I graduated with, I'm still having fun, man. I'm still here hanging out. That's what this song's all about. This song's called Trading Places. And I believe him because he's a fucking engineer. Yo, where's Matt? Ready to go? What's up? Wait. Okay. This song is called Eating Crow. I'm not condoning that anybody lose their edge. I'm just telling my own story. That's it. It's just about what I came through after 8 years, the conclusion that I arrived to. And I realized that, you know, taking a beer to my lips was the biggest mistake I've ever made. And I haven't touched anything in a year. I don't like playing this song, to be honest. It's just a song about my personal experience with straight edge. I'm not condoning that anybody lose their edge. If any of you guys, if all you guys say you're going to keep your edge for the rest of your life, I really hope you do.
What did I know? I want the team. Made a promise. To me, yo. Say you're clear. I mean, come on the pivot. Well, there's my mistake. Time to put it in. Put it into my charade. You want to talk about truth till death? I'm not thinking that far ahead of start. Made a promise. Song's called Jerry's Kid. Stop fighting your own battles. Without the behind your wall, stand up on your butt. Oh! When you got no faith, look at the face.